Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add filter in your Google Sheet. So let's start the video. Start by opening your Google Sheet containing the data you want to filter. Now click on the row containing the column headers. This is where you will apply the filters. Now go to the data menu at the top of your screen and select Create a Filter. As you see, these arrows appeared in the header cell. Now you can click the filter arrows in the header cell to sort and filter your data as needed. So that's how you will add filters in Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more informative videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.